I generated my YouTube thumbnails just in seconds by using the tool which is the Thumbs AI. With the Thumbs AI, you will know or you will have a thumb score. So you can decide which thumbnail have the potential to get more clicks. To get started in Thumbs AI, you need to have an account in Thumbs AI. And the good news is that you can sign up for free. And you can find the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. So once you have an account in Thumbs AI, the first thing that you need to do is to upload your face or your emotion. So you're gonna click here, my face and emotion on the left side corner. And then you're gonna name your emotion, for example, sad. And then you're gonna upload your original face or your photo. For example, I have this one. And then you can choose an emotion. For example, this one, disgusted. And then once you click the generate button, you will spend 2 credits. Just click that one. And then it's creating our sad emotion face. And here you go, guys. As you can see, this is my face or my emotion. And if you want to see the closer look of your photo, just click it here. And that's it. And masasabi ko din talaga na 80 to 90% yung accuracy niya na makuha yung emotion ko and hindi ganoon nagbago yung face ko, 'di ba? So hindi ako nagiging parang ibang tao, andun pa din yung originality ng face ko. Now, if you want to download this face, kung gusto mo siyang gamitin sa ibang mga creatives mo, then you can click download. Or if you want to regenerate, then click this one. And you can reuse or you can delete this one. Okay? So, once na nakagawa ka na ng emotion mo, the next step na gagawin mo is punta ka na sa create thumbs. So, dito sa create thumbs, so you can create thumbnail by using text to thumbnail or image to thumbnail. So, dito muna tayo sa text to thumbnail. Kahit simple lang guys na prompt. For example, as you can see here guys, simple lang yung ginawa ko na prompt and then after that, i-click mo lang itong enhance na button. And here you go. Bali, in-enhance lang ni AI yung simple na prompt na binigay natin sa kanya. And then, dito sa add your face, so piliin natin itong shock or surprise. And then, so yun lang muna yung gagamitin natin guys para mas simple siya. And then dito sa advanced, you can choose between aspect ratio, YouTube or short. And for this one, kasi gusto ko yung 16:9 for my long form videos. So okay na yun sa akin. And then for the variations, you can have up to 6. And for this one, I will choose 2. So once everything is done na guys, i-click na natin itong generate thumbnail. And then, wait lang natin siyang matapos mag-generate. And guys, ito na yung generated niya na thumbnail, as you can see. Pero, meron kasi akong idea na hindi niya nakuha, no? And ang gagawin ko is, I will just recreate thumbs. Punta lang ako sa YouTube, guys. So, naghahanap ako dito ng YouTube thumbnail na parang i-model ko na gusto kong gayahin. So, meron dito, guys, as you can see here, this one or this one. And in this case, mas marami kasing views itong si creator number 2, which is 65k views and posted 4 months ago. So, ito yung thumbnail na gusto kong gayahin, guys. And then, I will get the link, copy link, and then I will go back to Thumbs AI. I will click this thumbnail from YouTube video link. I will paste it here. Grab thumbnail. And then, I will tell AI na gagawan niya ako ng YouTube thumbnail na kapareha or kamodel nung in-upload ko na or ginagrab ko na thumbnail from YouTube. So, ito guys, yung binigay ko na prompt sa kanya. And then, i-click natin ngayon yung enhance. And then, I will add my face, yung normal lang na face, this one. And next is, I will choose variations para may choices ako. And then, let's click the generate thumbnail. Alright guys, wala pang 5 minutes pero meron na tayong 4 na YouTube thumbnails na pwede nating pagpilian. At ang kagandahan kasi nito guys is that para talaga siyang inedit ng experienced Photoshop or graphic designer. And as you can see din kasi dito, hindi ganoon ka nagbago yung mukha ko. Andun pa din yung originality ng mukha ko, di ba? Ma-recognize nyo pa din na mukha ko yan. Although, ginamitan natin siya ng AI. Base sa scoring ng thumb score dito sa Thumbs AI ay mababa yung score nila. But then, you can still regenerate thumbnails hanggang sa makuha mo yung thumbnail na gusto mo talaga. For me, good sa akin itong pangalawa na 'to. Kasi ito yung ini-imagine ko talaga din kanina na magawa or ma-come out ni AI na gusto ko magiging thumbnail ng YouTube ko. And now guys, I will show you naman kung paano gamitin yung clone style. So again, maglagay muna tayo ng AI prompt dito. And then click natin yung enhance. And then add your face. And then for choose reference or clone style, click mo lang siya para mag-arrow down. And then pwede ka mamili dito guys ng reference mo like my style. Or for the subject, pwede natin lagyan ng ganito. So choose natin yung studio light. And for the text, I will choose this one. For the background, pwede na ganito. And for the hook, so maglagay tayo ng magic arrow. And then, aspect ratio and variations is 2. Every variations is 2 credits po yung magagamit mo. So, kung 1 variation lang, so gagamit ka ng 2 credits. Kung 2 is 4, 3 is 6, and so on. Okay? So now, let's go ahead. Click na natin itong generate thumbnail. Alright guys, as you can see here, ang ganda ng output nung gumamit tayo dun sa clone style niya. Ang ganda ng graphics, no? Ang ganda ng pagka-design niya actually. And kung mag-hire ka talaga ng someone na to do this, I'm pretty sure it will cost you thousands of pesos. So for example guys, we are going to regenerate this one. Click natin. And wait, ulit tayo. Alright guys, this is the new image that we regenerated from this thumbnail. And also, you can see the quality. It's so good, guys. And then, if you want to download your thumbnails, just hover your mouse on your thumbnails. And then, you will see here, download button. This is one for regenerate and for reuse and for delete. Of course, click the download button. And then, it will download to your local file. So, open it. There you have it. And don't forget to rename your file for SEO purposes. Para sa akin guys, no, malaking tulong na mayroong Thumbs AI that help me generate my YouTube thumbnail in just one click. Kasi it saves me time. Unlike before that I have to spend like 2 to 3 hours per thumbnail para lang makagawa ng ganitong klase na thumbnail. Now guys, if you want to explore and try Thumbs AI at your end, you can get started by clicking the link in the description of this video. And if you will use my affiliate link, you will have a 6 credits that can help you create 3 thumbnails. Okay? So what do you think of this AI tools, guys? You can leave your comments in the comment section of our video. And also don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button para updated ka sa mga bago kong YouTube video tutorials.